What's up, YouTube? It's your boy K.A.D back with another video. And yesterday we had got us a vacuum cleaner because we have carpet and we need a vacuum cleaner. And my dog never experienced a vacuum cleaner before. Like when we turned on the vacuum cleaner yesterday when we had vacuum the floors, he was freaking out because this is his first time seeing, hearing everything. He never ever seen a vacuum cleaner before. So I'm finna go see his reaction to when I grab the vacuum cleaner and when I turn it on. So I hope y'all like this prank. It's your boy K.A.D, and yeah, let's get started. Alright. Alright, y'all. I got his reaction with the vacuum cleaner off. Now I'm finna get his reaction with it on. This is finna be loud. Well, y'all seen it here at K.A.D. He don't like it.
Oh, it woke me up.
Look at, I'm trying to grab to see what he do. Alright, yeah. So it's your boy K.A.D. I'm just gonna keep the camera on him. But I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and I'm out. Peace.